Did you procrastinate your work again today? Be honest. You said I'll do it tomorrow, didn't you? But let's be real. That's exactly what you said yesterday. And if this keeps happening, you'll keep watching your dreams from a distance while time quietly slips away. You're ambitious, you've got big plans, but you're stuck in this endless loop of waiting for the right moment. Let's end that today. Here's the ultimate formula to break the I'll do it tomorrow cycle and finally start taking action. Step 1, the 5-second rule. Your brain has about 5 seconds before it kills any new idea with excuses. So when you think, I should start, count backward 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, move. Stand up. Open the laptop. Begin. Don't think, don't wait to feel ready. The moment you act before hesitation takes over, you train your brain to choose action over avoidance. It's simple, but it's powerful. 5 seconds can rewrite your habits. Step 2, start tiny, not perfect. The reason you don't start isn't laziness, it's overwhelm. Your goals look huge, so your brain freezes. So here's the trick. Make the first step so easy, it's impossible to say no to. Don't aim to write the whole chapter just one line. Don't try to build the whole business, just research for 10 minutes. Once you start, momentum takes over. Remember, you don't need the perfect start. You just need a start. Step 3, redesign your environment. Motivation fails when your surroundings scream distraction. If your phone is beside you, you've already lost half your focus. So create a setup where working is the easy choice. Clean workspace, no notifications. Set a specific time and place to start. This is called environmental priming. It turns discipline into default behavior. Step 4, break the reward system. You procrastinate because scrolling, watching, and delaying feel rewarding. So flip that. Make action rewarding instead. After completing your task, reward yourself. Music, a snack, a quick break. You're retraining your dopamine system to crave progress, not comfort. When progress feels good, consistency becomes automatic. Step 5, reflect, don't regret. Every night, ask yourself one simple question. Did I do one thing that moved me forward today? Even if it's tiny, write it down. You'll start to see patterns of effort instead of guilt. Because success isn't built in a single massive push, it's built in daily micro wins. So here's the truth, you don't need more time. You've always had enough. What you need is to stop waiting for later. Later is where dreams go to die. Start today. Even if it's messy, even if it's small, just move. If this hit you, comment "starting now" below. And remember, you don't need motivation to act. You just need to act to find your motivation.